Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information and I will show to you that what looks like Toyota Corolla TS cars, this exhaust pipe and also catalyst and catalytic converter, and this is really from this Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter engine what generates this 192 horsepower, and this is really powerful Corolla. And this area in here, this is like starting point. This part belongs in this exhaust manifold area, and then this next part, this one, this is catalytic converter, and then there is one muffler, and when we go in back area there is rear muffler. And let's go to look again closer that what this looks like closer. This part starts in this position, and these kind of bolts keeps this exhaust pipe in this exhaust manifold, and there is really specific bolt and then spring what keeps this all time like elastic, and two bolts, one in here and second in here, and there is also gasket in this exhaust manifold. And then when we go forward we can see that there is first AF sensor that measures this exhaust gases, this fuel amount and air amount, and there is second sensor, AF sensor, and this part is this catalytic converter where this exhaust gases goes through, and this sensor sends first data and then second one compares, and these measurements they must be different because then we can know that this catalyst works. And then there is one sound muffler in here, and when we go back there is this pipes, this connection point, and there is also similar these elastic bolts, and they are made really well because there is even this inside steel pipe in there. Really nice Toyota's engineering. And then there is this final muffler, and there is really two big these pipes in there, these big pipes, and also we can see in that area there is comment Toyota Motorsport, made in Germany. They have made this exhaust pipe, and there is year model 2005. Okay, really nice pipe. Thank you.